$1,000 per day using this
video. I'm going to share everything that you need to know about starting, scaling, and operating an affiliate marketing business.
Which means you make money without a product, selling, shipping, and even without a website. But before we get there,
so first of all, we're going to talk about setting expectations, setting goals for affiliate marketing.
I know that's a boring topic, and he does the whole affiliate business in just 5 steps. But good news is that you need only step number 5 in order to make this money. But hey, don't ignore step number 2.
So let's talk about choosing a niche. We have a lot of different options here. And anytime someone asks me, Nate, what niche should I choose? What category should I promote products in? I'm going to tell you the basic answer, and then there's a little bit more of an intricate answer, okay? So the thing that I think is most important is that you really do need to find something that you either already have a lot of knowledge in or something that you love to talk about.
That's it. Find a niche that either you have knowledge or you have passion. Now, before we make money in step number 5, step number 4 is
how to actually find affiliate products to promote inside of your blog articles and from your
finding the right product to promote. Now, to be honest, this whole process he shared is actually a lot of work, and that's why we don't do all these things. What we do is this: we gain knowledge and build a passion using AI. Then we use this knowledge to make short videos just like this guy, plus on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. The same video from all these platforms. We get free traffic to our AI-powered automated funnel. This funnel does the selling for us, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 to $1,000 in passive affiliate commissions. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.